Arm exercise, why do we need it? When it comes to getting in shape, most of us tend to work on certain areas, usually the stomach, abdominal muscles, and, for many women, the behind. A lot of the time, there are certain parts of the body that get left out, especially if all you are doing are sit-ups, crunches, and other similar types of exercises. Even running does not work all of your muscles fully. Arm exercise is something that a lot of people do not even think about when they are exercising, and it is just as important to make sure that you are doing this as well as other exercises. After all, you need to have strength in your arms, and without arm exercise, you will not gain any extra strength, and could even lose the strength and muscle tone you already have. If you think that you should be doing more in the way of arm exercise, you have all kinds of options available to you. You can do exercises that will work the entire arm, or you may want to try exercises that are specific to certain muscles in the arm, such as the biceps. There are great exercises for the shoulders and upper back as well, which will also help to strengthen your arm muscles. Regular arm exercise versus weightlifting. A lot of people do not enjoy doing regular arm exercise and prefer to lift weights to get the muscle tone they want. Then there are the people who think that the only way to get the shape they are looking for is to do regular exercise, and that they will build up too much muscle if they lift weights. Actually, both types of arm exercise are beneficial, and it is really just a matter of preference. Remember, you will not become muscle-bound if you work out with weights. There are a number of exercises that can be done with small hand weights, which are excellent for arm exercise, and you will not end up with huge, muscular arms. If you are interested in learning more about working out with weights and not building up too much muscle, you can talk to a trainer about the exercises that will work best for you, including arm exercise. Arm exercise and dieting. You may be wondering why you would need to have a special diet when all you are doing is an arm exercise or two. Well, for one thing, if you are doing an arm exercise, you are probably actually doing other exercises as well, and if you are not, you probably should be. We all need to have a certain amount of exercise each and every day, including arm exercise. And along with exercise, everyone should be following a healthy, well-balanced diet plan that has all of the nutrients our bodies need and not too much of the things we do not need. There are certain nutrients that are necessary to have in our diets. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are all macronutrients that we all need to have in order to survive, and our diets should have a certain amount of each in them. According to the American Heart Association, the American Diabetes Association and many other health organizations, a healthy diet should consist of 55% carbohydrates, good carbohydrates, which are complex, not simple, 15% good fats, monounsaturated or polyunsaturated and not saturated, and 30% protein. Okay, so we now know what should be in our diets to go along with arm exercise. But are there any extra treats that you can allow yourself as well? Of course. It is important to make sure that instead of eating 3 large meals a day, you actually eat many smaller meals all day long, and sometimes, this means plain old snacking. Now, if you don't care about what you are putting into your body, you can make your snacks from junky treats. Or you can find delicious, healthy alternatives that taste like junk food, that have all kinds of nutritional value, and are even great for weight loss diets. Nuts and seeds are always an excellent choice, but make sure that they are unsalted. Arm exercise and protein supplements. When it comes to getting the proper nutrition in our diets, it is not always possible to get everything we need from the food that we eat. There are always going to be times when you just don't have time to cook or eat, and you will end up skipping meals. When this happens, you may want to try using a protein supplement, which will provide the nutrition you need, but is quick and easy to eat and can even be eaten on the go if you are busy at work or school. Protein supplements are becoming more and more popular all the time, but it is important to remember that not all protein supplements are the same, and not all protein supplements are right for everyone. If you are doing arm exercise, as well as other exercises, you will probably want to have supplements that are extremely high in protein, for muscle growth and recovery, as well as to provide you with the energy you need for exercising. Protica has a number of protein supplements that are great for anyone who is looking to tone up, whether they are doing full body workouts or just the odd arm exercise. ProfectR is very popular because it is a liquid protein shot that is only 3 ounces, so it is not overly filling. ProfectR is also excellent if you are trying to lose weight, because it only contains 120 calories and is low in fats, carbohydrates, and cholesterol. And if you are looking to satisfy your sweet tooth without blowing your diet, ProfectR comes in a number of delicious flavors, including clear raspberry, clear green tea, clear watermelon, clear Niagara grape, and clear juicy apple. If you would like to learn more about ProfectR, or any of the protein supplements available from Protica, you can visit the website at www.protica.com.